to be in a food eating competition for $1 million, but your opponent is Caseoh.
Would you do this, chat? Be honest. What do you mean never had a chance? Wow.
You'll become best friends with Caseoh, but every time you hang out, he'll devour all the delicious food you have in your fridge. Get $1 billion, but you can only listen to All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey.
What? I mean, $1 billion is $1 billion. Give me the Billy. What you talking about?
Become as rich as Caseoh, but you will be the same height as him.
That is actually crazy. The Stray is actually wild.